Jojo, look how much the waves are crashing. Look at the sky. Looks like storm clouds. And look, some people are standing that close to the waves.
And look, there's a magical floating hand. It's a magical floating hand.
Jojo, we know what that really was. But look, there's a secret cave over there in those rocks.
You can see it through this magical telescope. Magical telescope. Look at it.
Some people are still in the water. See those little dots of people? They're not scared of these crashing waves.
Look at this finger person in the water. Oh, it's a little finger in the water. Oh, I'm in the water. Look, Joe, I'm gonna crush this kid. Ready?
Just wanted you to see the waves. Love you. Bye.